Hi guys, welcome to or welcome back to my channel. This feels so weird because I'm filming a video within a video. It's like Inception, but way less interesting shit happens. Okay, so today I have a delivery from Sephora. We're gonna open it up and try out some of the things that we got. If you're into this kind of stuff, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. I can't even fully remember what I ordered. Oh, but there are a couple of things. This was from my last order. It is the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Lip Kit. Somebody told me that they were selling this on Sephora for 30 bucks, so hopped on that. And then the other thing that I've been using for the last couple of weeks, Hyaluronic Acid by The Ordinary. A couple of things I wanted to mention about this. The box that it came in, I was really impressed with that. I don't think I kept it. But it's like one of those matte soft boxes. So right off the bat, I was impressed. Clearly it doesn't take much to impress me. And then the bottle itself is like one of those frosted glass bottles. So I like that as well. Considering this only cost me $6.80, truthfully was not expecting high-end packaging. And if I say I'm impressed one more time, shoot me. So the product itself, I don't know if it's doing much. I like to think it is. It's supposed to pull moisture into your skin. So in theory, I hope it's helping. And then when I put it on my skin, I find that it actually feels really tacky when you've rubbed it in mostly. And at first I was pretty excited thinking, cool, it's kind of acting like a primer. But then I remembered I have to put moisturizer on over top anyways, so it doesn't really matter how it feels on my face. Okay, I just wanted to throw that in there. So what I did here was only order products that were on sale. That's how I convinced my husband I'm saving money. They're basically giving it away. Hey, I think they only gave me one of my free samples. Ugh, anyways. Okay, I got my sample. It's a little perfume. Juliet Has a Gun. Oh, I don't know if I'm gonna like this. Well, from what I read, I think this scent is just supposed to enhance your natural scent. I think it just made me smell like I'm 85. This is another sample, the Tatcha Violet C Brightening Serum. I'll have to try this out and let you know. This is another little sample by Becca, and I forget what it is. Sephora Color Enhancing Lip Oil, some False Lashes by ABH, and the Piece de Résistance. Why did I do that? Okay. Marc Jacobs Remarkable Foundation. It says instant full coverage, all day weightless wear, less is more. I'll have to remember that. Okay, so I'm gonna get started, and yeah, I'll only show you the things I'm trying out, just to save time. Oh, the other thing that I wanted to try, I got this sample of the Benefit Cakeless Full Coverage Concealer. We're gonna try out number one. They don't give a whole lot. Here we go. I'm just gonna apply it with my, oh, that's a lot. I'm gonna apply it with my sponge. Holy crap, that actually is very full coverage. I literally just wiped a little bit off of whatever this is, the cover of the sample. Okay, I'm just gonna put the remainder on my eyeballs. Okay, it's actually not looking too bad. It has already dried down. That took like 2 seconds, and the coverage is pretty sweet. All right, moving on to the Remarkable Foundation. I got it in number 22 Bisque Light. This is without a doubt the most expensive foundation I own now. It cost $70, but it was on sale for $35. The packaging is beautiful. Again with the frosted glass. Apparently I'm really into that. Okay. Ooh, it sounds really liquidy. Don't let me down, Mark. What is happening? What is happening? What's happening? Oh, it's a twist. No, it's a twist. Why? Please have a pump in there. So this comes off and tricks you into thinking this is a pump. But it's not. You twist it. Oh! Okay. Got me again. It's got a little applicator. That's nice. This is going to be... Is this actually light? Okay. Well, if you say so. Oh my god. Okay. No going back now. And they said a little goes a long way, right? Oh, that is entirely the wrong color. Oh my good god. This is supposed to have a pink undertone. Nah. A little really does go a long way though. Why did this claim to have a pink undertone? I've never been so yellow in my entire life. I look like a frickin' school bus. Full coverage was accurate. Becoming a yellow submarine wasn't mentioned. Oh my good god. Let's look past the color for a second. Considering this is a full coverage, the finish is really nice. I don't feel cakey. So we're gonna take a win where we can get it with this guy. Minus the color, I can't hate on how my skin looks though, so. Okay, we're gonna try this Becca powder. I like it when the setting powder can kind of fill my pores, and it's done that, so. Well done, you've reached the bare minimum of my expectations. I keep getting whiffs of poison, and I assume it's the perfume. But honestly, if I die, I would highly recommend looking into my sister's recent activity. Okay, we're gonna try out the ABH lashes now. This is Dreamy. Doesn't feel great, and they're very swoopy droopy. I like how fluffy they are, but Jesus Christ. Oh god. This one seems a little bit less swoopy. I don't know, maybe it's just the way I put them on. I don't hate them, but they look very different on each eye. This is what I've been probably most excited for. Pillow Talk is not new. Get out. As I was saying, Pillow Talk is not new. I've just been too poor/cheap to purchase the full size. So we got two little baby ones, the Pillow Talk liner and the Pillow Talk lipstick. Please don't let me down. Yes. Okay, everything looks darker on my phone than it does in person when I'm filming down here. This is such a good kind of neutral color, but it's not too light and it's also not too dark. It's, honestly, I love this. I love it. You absolute gem. Look at how pretty you are. I'm talking to the lipstick, not to myself, by the way. I just sit in the mirror complimenting myself for an hour. This is it, guys, the finished look. Okay, number one, I have to mention it again. This perfume, Juliet Has a Gun. Don't buy it. Don't take it as a freebie. It is a scam. They're trying to kill you. This is awful. I feel like I need to go shower or cut my arms off entirely. Okay, here's the thing about the foundation. I'm really upset because I love the finish. I'm not creasing anywhere. I don't look cakey. I don't look dry. But the color, I mean, I guess if I wear a turtleneck, this does not have a pink undertone, so do not be fooled by that. The foundation itself is good. The color, nah. Will I wear it again? Probably. The eyelashes, they're on. I don't understand why they look like two completely different sets of eyelashes. Do you see what I'm saying? But they are nice enough. Maybe I'm the only one that would notice the difference. What else did I try? Oh, and then the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk. Those are obviously my absolute favorite from today. It's not a super creamy texture. I'm hoping that they're kind of long lasting. But yeah, that's everything. Thanks for hanging out. I hope you found that interesting, or at the very least, I hope it helped you kill some time if that's what you were trying to do. And I hope to see you back at some point. Bye!